Hi everyone, I was going to post a video just to explain why the Black Golf video isn't up today, and then I realised it's been quite a while since I've done a vlog, so I thought I'd just do a quick one of them, and as part of that explain why the Black Golf video isn't gone up today. Basically I decided to do some, well on the weekend I was, Saturday I was quite busy with doing the advert and things like that, researching the history on the Blue Golf, and writing the advert and placing the advert, and then I got a whole lot of inquiries quite quickly on it, so I was also dealing with them. So that kind of took up Saturday. You can see the car sitting there under the cover. So that kind of took up Saturday, and then yesterday I decided to tidy up the paintwork on the car that I'm driving just now. I kind of need something to drive other than the truck if I'm going very far, because the truck's pretty scary on diesel. I still don't have any income, so I've been kind of surviving on selling stuff for my house, which is pretty much gone. So yeah, so it's cheaper to actually run another car than it is to run the truck anywhere far. So let you see that quickly. So yeah, I've been doing that. So I started that yesterday, and I worked really late last night, just to try and get it all done. But it's kind of spilled over to today. So and so the Black Golf is there. It was on the ramps, but I took it off to put the other car on. And I'm kind of losing quite a lot of time just now as well, because my wee mini Dachshund has a lump on her leg, and we're hoping that it's an infection and not something more sinister. But it means that I need to put cream on it twice a day and then sit with her for 2 hours after I put it on to make sure that she doesn't lick it. So obviously I'm not grudging that at all, but it does mean that I'm losing 4 hours that I could be working on other things. Also I had a consult with a mental health nurse this morning as well, and since my kind of, I don't know, maybe mid to late 20s or something, I've been quite open about the fact that I suffer from depression, because I used to DJ for a living, and there were a couple of suicides of 21-year-olds in one of the towns that was kind of my mainstay of where I used to DJ and supply DJs to, etc. And after that I just decided to be a small part of trying to defeat the stigma about mental illness, because I think still even today, as soon as you say mental illness, people think crazy, but it's possible to struggle with mental illness, and that just means that you're down or you're anxious. So anyway, yeah, the meds I was on for that wasn't really working, so I switched to a different one in September, and I know a lot about mental health, and I'm quite well read, so doctors have always been really good at kind of letting me have quite a lot of input as to what I'm on and things like that. So it was my choice to try a different one, but unfortunately it didn't work. It just started making me sleep till lunchtime, and made me feel quite short fused as well, which is not good. So I stopped taking them, and went to a doctor who wasn't really much help, to be honest. He referred me to a mental health nurse, which was 3 weeks later, which wasn't really much help. So basically got a prescription for something else, which I'll be able to get tomorrow once I can drive the car I'm driving again, and hopefully that'll be effective, and that should mean that I'm firing on all cylinders instead of two. But at the end of the day, you've just got to suck it up and keep going. I haven't felt like doing any of what I've been doing, but you know, you've just got to keep pushing yourself and not give up. So yeah, that was basically it. Nothing much has really changed. I had some time off over Christmas and New Year, maybe about 9 days or something, 10 days. It was good to get a break from living in the truck, and obviously didn't need to worry about money for food or for fuel, because I wasn't really going anywhere far. And Yes, that was good. Unfortunately, I was up all night for about 9 or 10 days, so possibly just with as a result of the meds that I was on, and yeah, before that, I was making it quite difficult to get as much content up as I would like, because if you're sleeping till late, by the time you get up and get going, and then the episodes have got to be up for 8, so yeah, there wasn't maybe quite as much content as I would have liked. So, but since I've come back, yeah, I mean, I'm still not really feeling great, but I have managed to be really quite productive, so that's good. The Blue Golf's obviously finished, pictured up. We've done the first drive in it, and so that's good. And I'm feeling quite motivated to get rattled through this black one. So that's good. And we'll swivel around. So we've still got this other black one there as well. So that one's going to be after this black one. Whether or not I'm going to get to do the red one or not, I don't know. We'll just need to wait and see. Because I also have the truck to do. So yeah, we'll just need to wait and see. But yeah, that's about it really. I've got 2 Patreon supporters now, so that's good. I really appreciate them. And didn't make the 1,000 subscribers by Christmas, but it is 320 something now, so just need to be patient, and hopefully that'll grow once I hit 1,000. YouTube basically run adverts on whatever videos they like now, so you used to be able to choose whether they did, and if they did, then you get paid, whereas now they just run adverts on your videos if they want. They only pay you if you've got 1,000 subscribers, so not that it's going to make a big difference at that level, because you need to have, it goes by watch hours. You need a serious number of watch hours and a serious number of subscribers to have anything, that kind of, that would make that big a difference. So yeah, basically I'm hoping that the Blue Golf sells quite soon, although I'm not gonna give it away. I've put it at a pretty good price for what it is, so but yeah, that would obviously make quite a big difference to the situation when that sells. So yeah, otherwise I need to kind of figure out what I'm going to do for income. so anyway, back onto the black one tomorrow for sure. I'm basically just going to produce this, upload it, and then just do the paintwork on this car. I've done all the prep, so it'll only take me an hour or something to paint and lacquer it, and then it'll just be getting kicked back outside again tomorrow, and we can get cracked on with this black one. So thanks for everyone who's subscribed to the channel, for comments, well wishes, to my Patreon supporters. Thanks very much. I hope that your year started off okay, and that it's a good one for you.